More than 2 billion people across the world lack access to essential medical products like medicines, bloods, vaccines, and this is all due to the non-existing infrastructures. In India, over 500 million people live in rural areas. Most of them are in remote areas. So, if a critical medical emergency comes out, medical supplies are essential at that moment. Okay. So, for example, if a mother is bleeding out during the childbirth, she can't wait for a whole day. Like the blood will come and she will get revived by his teammate. It's not like that. Okay. So it's not PUBG. So it's a real life. So it will take around a whole day or might be take a full half day. But it can cause some serious case like it may cause a death. Okay. And you can also consider some another situations like you got bitten by some snake and you are in a jungle. So how will you manage that situation? So if you don't get the anti-venom at correct time, you will get okay. So you will get finish beep beep beep. For that, we have the solution. Okay. So what's the solution? We have our airport that can deliver instantly. Yes, I'm saying instantly. That doesn't mean the teleportation or telepathy. Not like that. Okay. It will just deliver like you just placed a button. I need that medicine. Yes. You just pressed a button. I need that medicine. That medicine will pop up and you will eat it. Not like that. Okay. You just press a button. Autonomous system will dispatch your product and will put it in the fuselage of the plane, and the plane will get launched from the hub and will fly through the air and will come to your home and will it will drop to your nearby somewhere around your location. Okay, so that's how it works. So these all things are to make your life easy. Not only easy, these are all things to have you a comfortable life. मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, मैं कंफर्टेबल लाइफ नहीं भाई, जिंदा बच जाए तू इसलिए कर रहे हैं बस. ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है. तो यही है. सो एयरपोर्ट कैन डिलीवर अप टू 1 kg. ओके, जूते आ जाएंगे उसमें. एंड कैन गो अप टू 40 kilometers within 20 minutes. That's too fast. Yes. So a life can be saved. Okay, and it can also go up to hundreds of kilometers within an hour. If you have an hour, you can hold your breath for an hour, you will get revived. Okay, these are not like some PUBG. Your off will come and you will go for the loot. Okay, that's the medical supplies, bro. Leave it. Someone is getting died, please leave it. Don't find a loophole here. Okay, like if a drone is coming with medical supplies and yes, you are getting my point. Like it's India, everyone knows. Okay, so the moment order comes, it will dispatch your order and the plane will fly and will come to your home, and then you get your order and you get revived and your life gets saved. Okay, like you can think of a scenario like you are in midnight, you see a dinosaur roaming around your home and dinosaur bites you and you got infected and you are getting venomous. Okay, so and these kind of scenarios can be found. Okay, so our airport will have the GPS. Why we are using GPS? Tell. सिंपल यार, लोकेशन पता करने के लिए. हिंदी वाला काट दो भाई. तो airport are not piloted. No one is sitting here and controlling it like mar not like that. So not these autonomous airport will go to your home, will deliver and will come back. This is the main target. Okay, so these all will be in an integrated environment. Okay, so we had our demo and today we did the demo. Here we have our plane. When we tried to fly it, it flied well and it dropped well at desired locations. This one is just for the demo purpose. The actual version will deliver your essential product. Like if you are dying, I'll simply send my airport. Okay, काट दे भाई, इसे नहीं दिखेगा उसका launch. Okay, so backup, that's all. Okay, finish हो गया. And bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and do the like and press the bell icon and just be healthy. Okay, don't be healthy. Bye.